So why is being a healthy weight important? Well, it ultimately comes down to maximising your health. Your risk of developing any chronic diseases or health conditions will be a lot less the healthier weight you are. You'll also find that your body shape, your mood and your energy levels will improve as a direct result. So there's 3 things that you can do today to give you an idea of where you are. Now, this isn't the most accurate way of doing it at all, but it's a great starting point. And that's to take your body mass index, or otherwise known as BMI. So the first thing you need to do is take your height, and that's usually taken in centimetres. The second thing you'll need to do is take your weight, which is usually taken in kilograms. And then the third thing you'll need to do is divide your weight by your height, and that will give you a value. Now, if that value is between 18.5 and 25, then that's considered normal or healthy. If your value is between 25 to 30 or over 30, then that's considered overweight. And if your value is below 18.5, then that's considered underweight. So let me know how you get on with this, and let me know if you struggle with this in the comments below. Any questions, DM me.